Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the file size of your videos in CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to select export. Now there are a lot of options that you can choose from. Let me just delete this cover real quick. And here as you can see, there will be like a file size here. It's 11 megabytes estimated. So if you go to resolution and you want the file size to be smaller, make it 720p or something. But I do still recommend 180p. Bitrate lower if you want. Format, it's the same frame rate. It can also change the file size. So if you want it like super like not big, just make everything like super small here. Okay, this is at 24 FPS. But if you want to make the video really high quality, just try to select all the higher stuff here. I don't know why the FPS is on 24 frames per second. I think it's because of my last videos, but as you can see now it's changed to 64 megabytes, which is a little bit higher. It's not that much, but you're just going to select export, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!